Hello everybody, and thank you for watching this video and all the other videos and subscribing and basically helping out the channel with that. It actually inspires me a little bit here when creating the videos. In regards to this specific video, which it's gonna be like uh, part two or part three, I don't know. It's about the pop-up member login um, form. So a couple members, Frank and others, have found some issues with it, which is the following. So let me show you the first issue. So on the video customizing the member login pop-up, um, if you are unable to log in using it on some of the sites that I've seen already, you got to follow these steps here. This is the Brain Directories support and help group. The URL is facebook.com/groups/brilliant directories help. No hyphen, no nothing, just Brain Directories help. Um, so you gotta follow all these steps, and at the end result, inside the Bootstrap theme member login page widget, you should be able to have something like this. Okay, this is to solve the issue with actually being able to log in. Okay, to finish the sign in process. Okay, but what happens, as Frank pointed out, what happens if it fails? If you fail, what happens if it fails and you want to go back to the last page that you were? So for that, and again, I'm going to be pasting this in the comment section of this video on the Facebook group, on the Brain Directories support and help group. And you gotta add, you gotta do two things. Okay, you gotta do those two things because one handles remembering what was the last page that you were on, and the second one basically triggers that. It triggers if it fails, if it detects that the login process failed, it will take you back to the last page that you were actually in or where you tried to log in with. So we need to add this here. We need to add another code here in the header. I'm putting it on the header. You can put it on the footer, but I'm putting it on the header so that people don't see the page that fails. You know, that weird page where it's empty. So let's try it out right now. I'm trying it out on the on Frank's site. So for example, I'm gonna go to classifieds here. I'm gonna go to the slash classifieds, and then I'm gonna click on login. I'm gonna try to log in with a failed email and password. Okay, I'm gonna press enter, and because it's gonna fail, it should bring me back to the classified page again, because I was in the classified page at that moment. So there we go. We're back on the classified page, and everything is awesome and good. Now I'm gonna try to log in with a real email. Okay, that should actually log me into to the so both are working. You can see them both are working. I'm able to log in with the proper email. I'm able to handle failing of the email. Okay, so let me go to properties, for example. Here's properties. Okay, or let me go to, I don't know, another completely different page so you can actually see it. You can see this changing. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna click on member login. I'm gonna put some fake one there, whatever. I'm gonna just try, and it should actually take me back to this page again. So it fails, and then it brings me back to this page again. So there we go. Now we've made sure that the pop-up login is able to log you in properly, and it's able to take you back to the page that you tried to log in with if it fails. So I hope this video helps everybody. Think positive, and I'll be leaving the code in the Facebook group. And again, thank you very much for subscribing and following me here on YouTube.